What will happen if the world will go beyond left and right? What will happen if we will take the best of capitalism and the best of socialism and will make everybody work for the right, for the best possible life they can have? This is a dream of mine, something that in these days, with everything that is happening all over the world, from conflicts to poverty, to people not finding a job, to the advancement of the AI, it's something that has been on my mind for a long time. This is Alessandro. For the past 7 years, I've been working in marketing, in growth, community. I've been studying product. I've been studying vibe coding. I've been building startups. But today, I want to introduce to you my idea, the new balance. Let's jump straight into this. Let me share my screen, and I'm going to show you something that I've been working and I think is going to change the world for the better. So now you can see the new balance: freedom, fairness, intelligence. This is a landing page I've been building. And as the page explains, I want to be a new social contract for the 21st century, blending open source capitalism, technocratic democracy, and shared prosperity. We're not left or right, we are forward. This is something that is very important. I want to build something that is going to be and go beyond what we've been known about politics and about sociology. Our three pillars are open source capitalism, so the market thrives when knowledge and ownership are shared. We want a technocratic democracy. Democracy must evolve, not vanish. And then we want to share prosperity and freedom. Freedom means nothing without dignity. How do we want to pursue these goals? And what we want to build? We want to build 3 interconnected modules that will build the future of civic infrastructure. The first model is called the Agora, a transparent public finance ledger, where everything will be public, everything spending related will be public, traceable, and auditable through blockchain and AI. Then we want to build the Accord, a cooperative capital and startup fund. We want to democratize investment and shared prosperity through decentralized funding, where citizens share in the wealth they help to create together. And then finally, the edges, a private and verifiable voting, secure, privacy-preserving democratic participation using zero-knowledge proof for verifiable yet anonymous voting. We want to attract people. We want people to get involved. So this is not a product, this is a prototype. We want to launch a city pilot, so we're looking for people that will join our movement today. And specifically, we are starting to build Project Daedalus. Project Daedalus will be basically these 3 infrastructure combined together. Our MVP is this website. We want to attract people to build that together. We're looking for funding. We're looking for people that want to help us building the Agora and how this will work. For example, how it works. Government establishes secure digital treasury on blockchain. All payments are recorded on a permanent tamper-proof transaction. AI assistant answers citizen questions in plain language, and we get full transparency with linked contract document and receipts. A real-life example, the old way. A $5 million contract gets awarded, and details are buried in a 200 pages PDF, with citizens that are skeptical about actual spending. The new balance way. Every payment on chain with AI-powered explanation, complete transparency with verifiable receipts. Something that should be already been done for 20 years, but for some reason is not yet. We want to build it. Then what is the Accord? The Accord is probably the most interesting project of the 3, and is a cooperative capital startup fund. We're seeding open source capitalism. The purpose of this is democratizing access to investment capital and allowing citizens to share the prosperity they help create. The reward must circulate through the community. How this works: citizens contribute capital and receive Accord tokens representing ownership. Entrepreneurs submit project proposal with transparent terms. The AI analyzes proposal for fairness, feasibility, and bias removal. Successful project share revenue automatically with all token holders. A real-life example: this entrepreneur called Amir. The old way, he would have a great business idea, but no wealthy connection. So it will be stuck into seeing traditional loans with high barriers. The new balance way. The AI scores proposal, highly on merit, community invests 50,000 collectively, and Amir builds the business. Finally, the edges. a private verifiable voting platform. The purpose is secure, transparent in integrity, complete in private execution, leadership as a service. How it works: eligible citizens receive secure voting credential via decentralized identity. Vote privately using advanced cryptographic encryption. Mathematical proof confirms vote validity without revealing the identity of choice. Final result, publicly verifiable on chain, individual votes remain completely private. Real life example, the old way. Factory closure vote with accusation of fraud and intimidation, community divided and distrustful. The new balance way, everybody votes in complete privacy. Results mathematically verified on blockchain, no dispute possible. How they work together. These three models are one unified vision, combining transparency, shared prosperity, and privacy to build civic infrastructure. Our funding goal is $1,250,000 over 18 months. The majority of this money will go to a world-class team of engineers working on blockchain, AI, ML. We want to also award under $50,000 to community pilot program to partner with city onboarding. What we want is to have at least one city to join us and to show that this system can work. So fund us, join our movement. We're waiting for you. We are open source, we are merit-based, and we are privacy first. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the new balance.